Hi everyone, welcome to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Agoda application not working. If you're experiencing issues with the Agoda application on your Android device or your iOS device, then here are some steps you can try to resolve the problem. There might be several issues that you might be facing with Agoda app. Sometimes the app might encounter a temporary loading issue, or you may not be able to log in easily to your existing account. No matter what the case is, here are some troubleshooting steps you can follow. So the first thing you can do is to force stop Agoda application on your device. Swipe from the bottom of your screen and bring up the app switcher. Close off any background application, or you can also simply close off Agoda application by pushing the app card upwards. Soon after you do that, you will be able to force close the app. Now, get back to the app drawer and open up the Agoda app icon on your phone. Now you can check if it works. If it does, then that's how you will be able to do it. But if it still doesn't work for you, the next thing you can do is to look for an update for the application. The problem you are facing might be because you are using the outdated version of Agoda app, so make sure you update the app in order to get it started working again. Go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for Agoda in the search box. After you make a search, look for the application and launch it open. If you see an update button in the page, go ahead and tap on update. If there is no update button available, it means that you are currently using the updated version only. Once you update the application, it might be able to fix your issue. Simply launch it open and you might be able to fix your problem right there. If the problem still continues, consider deleting and reinstalling the app. Simply go find Agoda application in your app drawer and press hold the application. Now look for an option that says uninstall or remove and tap on the delete button. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete your Agoda application. Now get back to your App Store or your Play Store and look for Agoda app again and then tap on the download button to reinstall the app. Now wait for the application to install back on your device, and then once it is done, launch the app open and see if that works for you. If none of these solutions work, contact Agoda support. Agoda has a computer support team that can help you troubleshoot the app. You can usually contact them through their website or application. Those were some of the fixes you could go ahead and try out if your Agoda application is not working properly on your smartphone. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.